Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to become part of our family. And if you have been here before, welcome back. So, in today's video, we are going to be looking at some of the most unique and beautiful staircase garland and decoration that I have seen lately. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right into it. don't forget, if you are in the market for really great Christmas city to help set the ambiance and the vibe in your home, definitely head over to jeremythomasquartet.com to get his newest Christmas CD called Christmas in the Night. When I tell you I have this record on replay, it is not a joke, you guys. This is so good. It's appropriate for all ages. It's upbeat, jazz, and funk, and you will love it. So I always ask, out of everything that you've just seen, what was your favorite? What was your absolute favorite? If you want to know mine, it's this. Oh my goodness, you guys. This was elegant, classy, clean, and absolutely beautiful to me. I just think this is perfect. I think also this would take a lot of work to do, but it's definitely worth it because just look how this turned out. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Once again, subscribe to the channel, give this a thumbs up, comment down below videos you would like to see, and I will see you in the next video. Also comment down below, would you guys like more relaxing videos with less talking, more talking? Just let me know. Okay guys, see you then. Bye bye.